Hello guys, my name is Matthew and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily upload files at BambooHR. First things first, we have to log in into the account and get into our workspace. So on top right corner or in top of our screen we have files option and we're gonna click there. In here there are some already pre-made files to show you by BambooHR how to navigate, how to work with the files, but we can just upload it. It's on the left side of your screen. Right now we can choose a folder, but first we have to choose files. For example, I'm gonna go with this sample PDF option, and we can now choose the folder. BambooHR, benefits upgrade, company files, and new hire forms. I'm gonna go with company files and share these files with individual or a groups. In here you can just write down person or a group where you want to share this file and then hit that upload button. And as you can see, it's already in there. It has a different type of color since it's not there like pre-made it by BambooHR software, but this one is mine. So that's about it guys, thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.